Hey, welcome back to Sue's Kitchen JA. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple, you see how many times I'm saying simple and I'm stretching on it, a simple fruit salad. So as you can see, I have my two salad here. I have one carrot. I have my already washed and ready lettuce. I have some grapes, I have a strawberry, and I have some Jamaican apple, and I have my parsley flake. Now this is all I'm going to use to make my yummy healthy fruit salad. So yes guys, this is how all of our vegetables and our fruits look after I've cut them and shredded my carrots and minced up my grapes, my strawberry, and my Jamaican apple. So now we're going to make our fruit salad. Oh yes, and you're going to need an orange to squeeze for flavor, just to give it a little kick. Yes, so you can, as usual, I always say you can put them in any order you like. So I'm going to do that. You can cut up your lettuce to your preference. If you want it to be fine, you can always cut it finer, or if you want it to be as it is, you can just wash it with some salt and have it like that. So after I do that, I'm big on presentation, so I always try to make my food look pretty. So as you can see, I'm showing you exactly how I place and lay everything. So we are doing that, yeah. And be honest, this looks really nice. So this is it. This is how it looks. We are finished adding our salad now. So now we are going to go in with our mince, with our shredded carrot, not mince, sorry, with our shredded carrot. So now we're just going to swirl it all over. So I want it to look like that, yes. Or you could also mix up your carrots with your salad before you put it in your container. Do it whichever way you like I did, but this is basically how it looks. We have a grape in there already, so that's how that looks. That looks beautiful already, and we are not finished. So now we are going to add in our apple slices now. So we are just going to try to make a circle, continue with our circle around. Pardon my son in the background if you guys hearing him. So we are just making a cute little circle going around. So this is how it looks now after we finish putting our apple around it. So now we are going to put our strawberries on top. Now you can put these any way you like, any way you feel comfortable placing them, you can. So this is how it looks with our strawberry on top. So now we are going to put on our grapes. Now be honest, this looks beautiful. So now we're going to squeeze our orange on top. When you're squeezing, you rotate your hand so the juice can be evenly distributed. So we're finished with this. So we're going to go one more time. We squeeze. Remove all of the seed from the orange before you squeeze. So this is it. If you look closer, you will see some of the orange juice and see. So you have to remove the seeds. Some of them you won't see them, but after you squeeze that you see, just remove it. So this is how I just made my simple, easy and quick fruit salad, which is really healthy. It's healthy and it don't have any additives, so you don't know, so that's good for you. Yeah, so now we're gonna add on a little parsley flakes just for beautification, and also parsley is good for you, so you can just sprinkle. So for everybody who has been asking me to do a video on how I make my fruit salad, this is it. This is not the one with the shredded cabbage, but this is it. This is beautiful, healthy, simple, easy. You can use whatever ingredients you have at home. If you don't have any grape, you can use cherry. If you don't have any apple, you don't have to use Jamaican apple. Use any form of apple you feel comfortable using. Use whatever ingredient you like. It's just a healthy salad. Yeah, you can serve it, you can have it as is, or you can serve it with whatever food you prepared, but this is it. So we're at the end of my video. Thank you so very much for clicking and watching. The fact that you click on my video is all enough reason for me to say thank you. So thank you for making it Sue's Kitchen JA. If you like this video, please do give me a like and feel free to leave a comment so I can know that you actually enjoyed my video, and share with somebody who you think this video would help, who wants to learn how to make a simple and easy salad, or who just want to learn to cook overall. Feel free to hit that thumb notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Have a good day, a good night, a good whatever time it is that you guys see this. Keep safe as always. Remember to wear your mask and spread love to each one and all. Bye now.